Otherwise, we would have planned to come early in the morning today. Okay. But we were stuck at Ranchi.
Okay, so you came all the way from there. Chhattisgarh, wow, that's quite far.
हम लोग वहाँ प्लान
Very
किया
nice.
ऑपरेशन
Okay,
हम लोग 2018 से वही ऑपरेशन करते हैं।
okay.
तो 2018 से हैं यहाँ।